I've got Alcatel 5V and let me show you how to change the font size on the following device. So at first, open list of all applications, find and pick the settings. Now let's go to display, so it's the second tab. Scroll down a bit and pick font size over here. And now simply by tapping on this scale, you can change the size of your font. So here you've got the solution. You can pick the very small one or the largest, whichever you prefer. Let me leave them for a sec. And then you can also change the display size. So let me open display size. Here you can change it to large or to small one. And here you'll be able to check how it will look like once set. So let me leave it this way. As you can see, everything has been changed. If you would like to go back to default one, simply go to the font size one more time, select the default settings and go back, and as you can see, we've got the default size of the font immediately. So that's it. This is how you can change the display and font size in your device. Enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.